I'm in Statesville, North Carolina, famous for, well, Speedball art products. Speedball's been here since the 1950s and has been making art supplies for well over a century. We're going to go inside the factory and take a look at the folks that make Speedball art products. I'm Rick Comerford, this is Art Supply Videos. Let's take a look inside.
I was excited about coming to Speedball to learn about how their products were made, but what I learned and want to share with you is something very different. Speedball is much more than a brand. Now, it is a brand that's over a century old, but Speedball is also a kind of family dedicated to the products they make and to making as many as they can in the US. The story starts with Walt and Al. Walt, seen here on the left, and his partners acquired the Speedball brand from the Hunt Company, and Al gets credit for making Speedball ink safe for use in artist studios and schools, which is the cornerstone of their success. Speedball's customer service team is regarded as one of the finest in the business, and the managers of the company are totally dedicated to putting great products in the market when they're not laughing at one of my jokes. What is so interesting about this company is just how many different types of products they make with machines and by hand under one roof. The pen nibs and linoleum cutters, for instance, undergo many steps to produce products that will perform right and last an artist a lifetime. The manufacturing has been perfected over decades, and the great people that make these products take pride in how well they perform. These small parts are hardened right on site in Speedball's blast furnace. This is where the tour really started heating up. I couldn't begin to cover the huge variety of manufacturing that goes on at Speedball, but here's a quick look at a few more. From hand-built screen frames used in screen printing to the injection molding machines making some of the plastic parts, like marker barrels and barons that are used in printmaking. They are all here under the same roof. Some of the products Speedball is best known for today include inks for block printing and screen printing, acrylic paints, and ceramic glaze. All these color lines are made here by paint makers with decades of experience. Speedball is known for making safe paints and is the brand of choice for professionals and students. Paints are mixed, packaged into jars and tubes, and tested by Bud and his team to ensure the quality and consistency Speedball is known for. There's Bud in the orange, and by the way, the music you hear is from his bluegrass band. The variety of products Speedball makes is seemingly endless. Here you see pink soap, which by the way is one of the best products I've ever used for getting paint out of stuff. This line fills the bottles, puts on the caps and labels, and then is immediately packed into case packs for shipment. Packaging for practically every product they make is done here. Here you see a blister card machine that heat seals the plastic onto the package. Once complete, the products are ready to go into the huge warehouse, where Speedball stocks everything they make. Here Speedball picks and packs the orders and ships them off to an art supply store near you. This factory tour was a great education for me. Speedball is such an integral part of Statesville that they even have their own street. I can't tell you how much fun I had meeting the family that makes up Speedball art products and the pride they take in the company and the products they make. Thanks for spending time visiting Speedball with me. I'm Rick Comerford. This is Art Supply Videos.